Hello, everybody. Alrighty, so let's take a look at our first learning target today. So our learning target is, I can infer the topic of this module from the resources. You also are going to generate norms for effective discussion and participate in a discussion. So what are we going to do? We are going to identify our topic after carefully analyzing different artifacts related to the topic. Why? By reviewing and observing artifacts on your own, you can engage in the learning and possibly recognize the importance to you. You are going to participate in a gallery walk by observing and making notes about the different artifacts. You will complete a note catcher and respond to each other on Jamboard. Okay, so our targets, once again, is inferring the topic. So in other words, we're thinking carefully about what does the evidence or the resources show me that can help me identify our next learning. Okay. So here are our resources for learning as we work on this lesson. Today you're going to use a note catcher, which will be linked to your Google Classroom, and it's something similar to like this. It's an I Notice and an I Wonder note catcher. We will talk more about this in a little bit. The second resource you're going to need is your Jamboard resource. So here's your link to the Jamboard. When you click on it, you'll just go to the Infer the Topic, and it'll take you to the Jamboard where you will participate in the discussion and actually see the resources. And for the last piece of our learning today, you're going to make a Flipgrid response where you're going to share your favorite resource and what you think, or your inference about what you think we're going to be learning next. So some of the guidelines that I would like to see as we respond to each other, both in writing and in speaking through Flipgrid, is I can ask questions to better understand what people are suggesting. I make comments that contribute to the discussion. I respond to questions to help people better understand what I am saying and to build on the discussion. I stay on topic. I link my ideas to those of others. I speak and write in complete sentences. And I assume positive intent. So for the sake of this lesson, I really want you to focus on 3 key discussion norms. I make comments that contribute to the discussion. So you're thinking as you're commenting to each other about the learning and the resource, please be sure that your comments are specific and you guys can respond to each other. I'm also going to challenge you to make sure that your ideas are linked and to make sure that you are writing in complete sentences. We will do some more practice with complete sentences later on today in a different lesson. But again, making sure your comments are contributing to the discussion, make sure your ideas are linked to others, and being sure to write in complete sentences. Alrighty, so as you are working, these are the 2 things that you're going to be doing. So here's your practice example. In your Jamboard, you're going to have your artifact, which is it's in the center of the Jamboard, and it's in a yellow sticky note. And in this case, this is the Article 1, all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in the spirit of brotherhood. So after reading that, I'm going to think in my mind, one or two things that I want to extend upon or add or wonder about. So one thing I said was, I was wondering, I noticed here it says the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So I just made a little sticky. It says, what are the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? And that was a question mark. And then after that, I made sure to indicate Miss J, because I was the one that wrote it. So please be sure that your name is on your comment. I also was struck by the first line, which says all human beings are born free. So I wanted to add to that comment by saying it says all human beings are born free. I thought that was interesting, so I just made that sticky note here and commented there. So when you guys go into Jamboard, you'll be able to comment on each other's ideas. Please be sure your name is on there, and also include specific vocabulary from the resource. And then in your note catcher, you're going to notice 2 columns, an I notice column and an I wonder column. In the I notice column, I typed in all humans are born free. I wanted to take that comment and kind of put it into mine. And then in the I wonder column, I wrote, what does dignity mean? I was curious about the word dignity. I could have also included that question as well. What are the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Alrighty, so 2 things to note while you were working. My expectation for you is to only comment on 3 of the resources with the sticky, and be sure that you're commenting on each other's comments and you're not just repeating the same thing that everybody else is saying. So, as you're working, one more time, thinking carefully about how you're discussing the articles and the resources. And when you are finished, you'll work through the I notice, I wonder, and this piece right here you will turn in. I will also be able to see your Jamboard comments and responses. Let me know if you have any questions, and have fun with this, guys. Make sure you, in your resources for learning, you go to your Flipgrid once you are finished and respond to each other with FaceTime. Alrighty. Thank you. And you can pause and rewind as you need to while you're listening to this as a support.